Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Can a person's wealth and influence put them above the law? This is the question at the center of the federal trial of Sean Combs, also known as P. Diddy. P. Diddy is facing one of the most significant challenges of his life. The trial, which started on May 12th in New York, has stirred up controversy regarding celebrity privilege. A jury of 12 individuals has rendered a decision on 4 out of the 5 criminal charges, but they are still undecided regarding the most severe allegation, the conspiracy to engage in racketeering. Defense attorney Mark Agnifilo vigorously contested these claims, asserting that the government had transformed Diddy's personal life into a legal spectacle. The FBI recently raided P. Diddy's home, seizing hundreds of bottles of baby oil and lubricant. This has sparked some humorous reactions, with one commenter joking that the American streets are now safer than ever from Astroglide. Federal authorities have accused Sean Combs of 5 distinct offenses, each outlining a particular aspect of an alleged network of exploitative activities. The charges include racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion, and transportation to engage in prostitution. P. Diddy has pleaded not guilty on all 5 charges. Racketeering is a broad term for organized crime, but it has a precise legal definition under the RICO Act. The law allows prosecutors to link crimes across different states. The RICO charge allowed federal prosecutors to present evidence that might not have been accepted in court if Combs was solely charged with sex trafficking offenses. The other 4 charges against P. Diddy paint a troubling portrait of unlawful manipulation, pressure, and mistreatment hidden within elite circles. Each accusation could potentially lead to significant consequences, and the prosecution is adopting a tactic to depict Diddy as a mastermind behind a long-term organized pattern of criminal activity. The jury has decided on 4 out of the 5 accusations, but is still undecided about the charge of racketeering. Prosecutors allege that for decades, P. Diddy has abused his power to coerce women into continuous sex parties laced with drugs. Assistant U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic said during closing arguments that the accused resorted to power, aggression, and intimidation to achieve his goal. However, Mark Agnifilo, Combs' lead defense attorney, contended that while Combs has undeniably made mistakes, he is not the criminal mastermind the prosecution alleges. The jury's deadlock is pushing the courtroom towards a delicate balance, and the following events might result in a split verdict, a hung jury, or potentially another trial focused solely on racketeering. On a lighter note, it seems P. Diddy's love for parties has finally caught up with him highly. Who knew that baby oil and lubricant could be a recipe for disaster? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,